Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Repair. Today we have a Spazielle Luca. We repaired the steam valve, the pipe to the tank, and we did some work on the group head with the gasket as well as programming the shot. Let's go ahead and do a test shot for the double. Programmed it to stop right at about 2 ounces.
Like that.
There we go, and let's check the steam. It came in for some steam issues. Went in and cleaned everything. Get a little of the moisture out in the beginning, and there we go. Nice strong steam. All four, nice and clean. Please like this video. Like our page for more videos like this.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Please subscribe to our channel.